rolled out on the interstate tonight. Not another headlight for miles and miles. Then I saw it standing there in black and white. That old booth, like it's waiting just for me to find. Remember when you said these things would disappear? Guess you were right, it might be the last one here. Hey, yeah. Temperature dropping as I walk across the gravel. No reception on my phone, nowhere left to travel. Every step closer feels like stepping back in time to when we used to drop our quarters in the line. Engines dead, no one's in sight. Just this payphone in fading light. One last call booth, a desperate plea, but the line is dead. No one answers me. They say it's Earth's last working telephone, standing guard on this forgotten stretcher road. I dial your number that I still know by heart. Static crackles through the receiver in the dark. 7 digits that I've carried all these years, now just echoes that nobody ever hears. My breath is fogging up the scratched up glass, watching memories of a slowly fading past. Every number punch feels more like letting go of all the things we said so long ago. Engines dead,